SnipeGoat, baby. Welcome. So you know what it is, man. We're gonna get straight to it. Man, hey, hold up. Peep gang. I watched my last video and I had did it again, man. So third time's a charm, man. I ain't do it right the first two times, man. Shout out to my cousin, man. Blue. You feel me? My cousin Blue, man. He bought me this motherfucking mic. You know what I mean? Real nigga activity. You feel me? No, that's some real shit though. You feel me? Because I was like, man, you need a mic, dude. Sometimes your videos be low. And I'm like, yeah, man. It was a mic on my camera, or is a mic on my camera. And I'm like, I just gotta intentionally speak loud. But he said, man, I got you. And you feel me? Next day he told me, come grab it. But I was busy. And then he dropped it off. You feel me? Real nigga shit, man. But to the chart we go. You feel me? And we just gonna go. Hey, we gonna go through this thing. You feel me? Top down analysis. And I'm about to tell you and show you what Bitcoin is doing, why Bitcoin is doing what it's doing, and what it's gonna do. You feel me? Currently, you can see price in this uptrend on the monthly time frame. Most recent swing structure, right? Higher low, higher high, swing to swing, bullish expansion. You will encounter a bearish retracement and hopefully encounter a bullish continuation. You feel me? Now, um, if not, structure is meant to be broken at times. You feel me? If structure is broken, then prices start creating lower highs and lower lows. You feel me? But right now, price is in a uptrend. Structure is bullish here, 74 500 we'll call it, 74 500, right? Monthly structure. So we want to see what type of price action we are encountering in this monthly bearish retracement, this monthly bearish price action here. We know this is a retracement, but we want to determine what type of price action are we encountering inside of this monthly time frame price action. And in order to do that, we scale in, zooming into this price action like you're viewing it through a microscope. You feel me? So we're gonna go ahead and what I mean, tighten that lens. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, twist that wheel. You feel me? And yeah, we're gonna zoom into this price action and analyze this bearish monthly price action on the weekly time frame. So we're going to zoom into this price action and see what type of price action are we getting on the weekly structurally to determine what price is doing right now. What is price doing right now? So right now, inside of that monthly bearish price action, this is the structure that price is producing here on the weekly time frame. Price was creating higher lows and higher highs, and now price has broken those higher lows and is encountering this bearish expansion. Right now, we got this high, and currently price is still creating um, weekly lows because we haven't gotten a buy. So we haven't gotten that second swing point to give us that swing to swing. So right now, price is still creating weekly lows. In this bearish expansion here, as you can see, as price was selling, we encountered this internal retracement here. Price trading inside of this bearish candle here came and encountered the open of said candle, showed respect, and got the continuation. Current price action for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. Price has been trading inside of this weekly bearish candle. The open is here. Price has came and countered this open of said candle, and now as you can see, price is encountering this bearish uh continuation out of this bearish weekly candle. So in order to determine what price is doing right now in this weekly time frame price action, we're going to zoom in. You know what I mean? Tighten that lens. You feel me? We want to get a little closer to determine what is price doing right now. So let's go ahead and zoom into this weekly time frame price action to the daily to determine what is price doing structurally on the daily inside of that weekly time frame price action to determine what is price doing and what is price going to do. So most recent swing. That's how we're gonna do it. Most recent swing. Yeah, I want you to see it. You feel me? All right. So most recent swing. Lower high, lower low here on the daily time frame. Bearish expansion, swing to swing, bullish retracement. So price started creating this bullish price action, this counter trend, this flag, this consolidation. So understanding that yes, price is consolidating, retracing, corrective price action, whatever you want to call it. In that, price creates structure. The market moves off of structure. So in that retracement, price is going to create structure. And our job is to read that retracement, read that structure inside of the major structure to determine when price is going to produce these expansions, these continuations, these uh, legs. You feel me? So we read this retracement. I call it a structured retracement because price will create structure. There are various different types of retracements that price produce, and if you follow me, you know what I mean. So right now, price is encountering this structured retracement. You know what? You know what I'm saying? Like structured retracement. We get the ranging retracement. Uh, we get let's see, internal retracement, and something I call the MTR. You feel me? But we'll get there when we get there. You feel me? But structured retracement here on the daily time frame, and in that, price is producing what we call a triple candle pattern, which is a head and shoulders pattern. We got this shoulder here, this head here, double top, and now we want price to give us that second shoulder to produce that continuation to the downside. Now, understanding that this is bearish expansion, bullish retracement, and we want to encounter a bearish continuation, right? This daily bullish retracement is inside of that weekly bearish candle. You feel what I'm saying? So, uh, hey, understanding that price is encountering a bullish retracement inside of that weekly bearish candle on the weekly time frame. Now we zoom in to that price action to the daily to determine uh, the structure that is being created or the retracement that is being created to determine when price is going to encounter its continuation. Second, okay, we 10 minutes in. Exactly when price is going to encounter that continuation out of that retracement, right? So, understanding the pattern that price is producing, the type of retracement that price is producing, now we know where price is going to go because we know what price is doing and what price is producing. You feel me? One second. We know what price is doing and what price is producing. And with that, we know what levels price is going to go to. You feel me? So we're reading the price action structurally in each phase that the market is in. Expansion phase, right? Then you get the retracement phase. And then you get the continuation phase. And price action is those expansions and continuations are the impulsive moves. The retracements are the corrective price action. You feel me? And you understand structurally that if price is in an uptrend, is price is creating higher highs and higher lows, and in a downtrend, price is creating lower highs and lower lows. So in that bearish trend, the when price is producing lower highs and lower, oh, my bad, G. Hope that wasn't too loud. But when price is creating uh, lower highs to lower lows, you feel me? Um, then that's when price will be impulsive in a downtrend. In the uptrend, when price is creating lower highs and higher lows and higher highs, then those higher lows to those higher highs should be impulsive. And then when price come down from that higher high, then that price action should be corrective. And you read that corrective price action to determine what type of retracement price is producing. And then from that, then you know what price is doing and when price is going to do what it has to do to encounter and produce the continuation. So right now, double check 13, 14 minutes in. Uh, so right now, we're understanding the price action uh, on the daily, the most recent, you know what I'm saying, reading this retracement. We got this low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, failed continuation, we can call it, because so price did not produce a higher high because price closed here and then price closed here and so we produced this lower high and then price sold below this, so we got this lower low. So currently price is in this bearish swing to swing, bearish expansion, bullish retracement. So now we want to read this retracement. We're going to zoom into this daily time frame price action, understanding this bearish expansion, and now price is producing a bullish continuation. Bullish retracement. So we want to read this retracement, read this price action. So we're going to go down to the 12 hour and read current price action. Well, I'm gonna read current price action. Man, why is my colors looking like that? Okay. We're going to read this price action, right? That's on the daily, on this 12-hour. So we're zooming into that daily time frame to determine what type of price action are we encountering on this 12-hour inside of that daily time frame price action structurally, right? So the structure of this 12-hour time frame inside of that daily is bullish. We see right now price had encountered this uh lower high to this lower low, and encountered this, what you would call a retracement, well, or what you would want to be a retracement. But we see what price did, uh, disrespected that 12-hour bear structure, right? So price created this low and high, and now price is inside of this bullish expansion, swing to swing, and this is the retracement, bearish retracement, right? So now we're going to zoom into this 12-hour time frame, and to do that, we go down to the 90-minute, right, to determine what is price doing right now, right? What is price doing right now? So we know we want to read that 12-hour retracement, that 12-hour bearish retracement, and in that we see the bearish structure that price is producing, right? You see this bearish price action. So now we know that we're reading this bearish structure being created to the downside, right? Which is a retracement. And we know that price uh, is going to break this bearish structure to encounter that bullish continuation. Now we have the snipe zone of that level. You feel me? And did I do that? Yeah, I did that. Uh, that was getting to me. Uh, so we understand that this is the this level here. What is this? Is the open of that weekly, I mean, this is the close of that weekly candle that price is trading inside of, right? So we know that this is a level that price can reverse from, and we know we got this 12-hour snipe zone here that price can come into. So we're just reading this structure here being created, and yes, you can take advantage of it, to the downside. Look, you feel me? We know we can take advantage of this bearish price action, and we understand that price is going to start coming back up after we see the bearish price action be disrespected, right? So now, you know, in this 90-minute time frame, we can scale down even more to the 45-minute time frame to see what type of price action price is encountering inside of that 90-minute time frame, to ultimately determine and to see what is price doing right now. And then as you can see on the 45-minute, my it's just that price is either buying or selling, right? Price is either buying or selling on this 45-minute time frame, right? So with that, you know, like I said, I'm utilizing the 45-minute time frame with the supply and demand type strategy, and you eat, man, and you eat. So as you can see, price is bearish right now. 45-minute time frame is bearish. But yeah, you heard it here first, baby. SnipeGoat, the candle reading guru. Somebody go tell your favorite trader's favorite trader, I'm on the way.